was growing up, between Thanksgiving and New Year's, there would always be at least one of my mom's great cracker pies in the house. Let me show you her incredibly simple recipe. Let's run through the ingredients. We've got 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, 1 cup crushed saltine crackers, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Go ahead and put about 2/3 of a sleeve of saltine crackers into a Ziploc type bag. Then just get your rolling pin out and go to town. What you'll want is a bag full of really nicely crushed saltine crackers. Add the 2 eggs to a mixing bowl and whisk them around a bit until they're thoroughly beaten. Add the teaspoon of vanilla and give it a quick mix. Then add the baking powder, the sugar, and give that a good mix. Go ahead and add the walnuts and the crushed crackers. Then mix with a spoon until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Pour the mixture into a greased 9-inch pie plate and gently spread it around with the back of the spoon. We're going to bake it in a preheated 325-degree oven for 30 minutes. It should be firm when it's done. Let it cool thoroughly and then cut yourself a generous slice. If whipped cream is your thing, go ahead and top it with that. And maybe add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Nothing left to do now but dig in. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.